world come together to enjoy the vibrant festives to mark the beginning of the spring season. The celebration is typical with loads of colors, music, dance as well as plenty of delicacies to savor. Hi, I am Suniti Shahi and today we are going to discuss how the vibrant festival of Holi is celebrated worldwide. Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and make sure you share this video with your friends. So in India, Holi is one of the most loved major festivals among kids and adults of all ages. Streets are filled with people playing colors, water and flowers. There is a carnival-like atmosphere in the air. The festival is celebrated over 2 days and marks the end of winter and beginning of spring. Holi is celebrated not only in India but in various other countries worldwide. Here is a list of countries where Holi is celebrated with a splash of colors. Australia. The Holi Festival of Colours is celebrated annually at various locations in Melbourne, Australia. It is celebrated as an outdoor party by the Hindu community and also a large number of people from other cultures who enjoy the festives. Celebration of Holi with the splashing of cold water is one of the best ways to cool down in the hot Australian summer season. Monash University and James Cook University also let the students indulge in the campus-wide colourful celebration. Canada. There are many Indians residing in Canada who make it a point to invite everyone in the neighbourhood to celebrate Holi. With colours, delicious seasonal food and drinks. Certain events are also organized during the Holi week such as Holi Fiesta in Ontario. The University of British Columbia and Royal Road University have their own way of celebrating with games, music, colors and even cornstarch powder. That's so organic, guys. Next up is USA. Ask the student of various colleges who get together with friends before the exam begin to de-stress. Besides, there are a lot of international students in Miami who make it a point not to miss this amazing festival. There is also a Hare Krishna temple in Utah where more than 70,000 devotees celebrate this colorful festival every year. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom attracts a large number of Indian students and professionals owing to several prestigious universities and job opportunities. From London to Kent, Holi is celebrated in various parts of the UK. The University of Dundee's Indian Society takes a plunge to celebrate Holi in its youth-sprawling campus. Germany. So guys, you can find a spectrum of Holi colors in the lanes of Frankfurt, Hamburg, Munich and Berlin. Holi in Germany is celebrated with the twist of an electronic music festival, EDM. You can dance your way to the foot-tapping numbers played by the DJs while embracing the colorful powder and paint all over your body. Although social distancing rules play a prime priority, but cheerful hearts cannot give a miss to this amazing colorful festival around the globe. How are you going to celebrate Holi 2020? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and don't forget to connect with us on our Facebook community page, Unilive Community for International Students. Subscribe to our university channel for more interesting videos. Wish you all a very happy Holi.